Hello everybody, this is Estefania Flores from Executive Line Real Estate, and here with me I have Nicole DeMarzo from Tier 1 Abstract. Nicole, you want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely. Hello everyone, my name is Nicole DeMarzo. I'm the owner of Tier 1 Abstract. We are a full service title company on Long Island. I have 20 years experience in the industry, so I'm very happy to be here to educate everyone on the title insurance process.
Well, thank you so much for being here, and that brings us to today's topic. We're going to be talking about what title insurance is, how it benefits you, and the different ways you can hold title. So, Nicole, let's jump right in. What is title insurance?
Title insurance is an insurance policy that protects both the buyer and the lender against any title defects that could affect the title to a home. A title defect could include a seller's open mortgage, could include any judgments or liens that the seller may have against them, any outstanding heirs to a property, any outstanding back taxes, anything that could affect the title to a property, the title insurance policy will cover.
Now, aside from providing a policy, what are you guys also responsible for?
We are responsible also for recording your deed and mortgage in public record.
So what should you look for in a title company?
The buyers have the right to choose their title insurance company. You want to make sure that the title insurance company has experience, they've been around for quite some time, and you also want to make sure that they have a reputable underwriter. So in the event there is ever a claim to your property, the underwriter has the means to defend your claim.
Okay. Where in the process does title insurance happen?
Once you are in contract, your attorney will reach out to the title insurance company to run searches against the home, searches against the seller, searches against the buyers to make sure that any outstanding liens are taken care of at the time of purchase.
So does that protect you? Purchase the policy and that protects you going back in time?
Correct. So it protects you from your date of purchase going back. It does not protect you from anything that you could potentially do to affect the title to your property. So in the future, if you go default on your mortgage or if there's any judgments against you, it won't protect you against that. Basically doesn't protect you from yourself.
From defaulting yourself.
Correct. But it does protect you and anything that could arise prior to your purchase.
Okay. Now, what are some of the fees associated with title insurance?
So the largest fee that you're going to pay for is the title insurance premium itself. Your title insurance premium is based off of the purchase price and the loan amount. The higher the purchase price and loan amount, the higher the fees are going to be. We're also responsible for picking up the recording fees that are associated with filing the deed and the mortgage in public record. So mortgage tax and deed transfer fees we're responsible for picking up as well. Any taxes we're responsible for picking up, and we also have to charge for any searches that are required. And if a survey is ordered, we pick up those fees as well.
So are these fees part of your closing costs, or are they another bill aside from your closing costs?
All of the fees related to the title insurance process are included in your loan estimate and on your closing disclosure at the time of purchase. So when you sit down with your loan officer and they provide you with your loan estimate, the title insurance premium and the recording fees are on those documents that you receive at that time.
Okay, amazing. So now that we have a clean title, right, because that's what you guys do, make sure that the title is clean. What are some of the ways that you can hold title?
So there's 3 ways that you can hold title: tenants by the entirety, joint tenants with rights of survivorship, and tenants in common. The difference between the 3, tenants by the entirety, when 2 people are married, their husband and wife, they hold title as tenants by the entirety, which means in the event one of them were to pass, title would automatically go to their spouse.
Okay.
If 2 people wanted to hold title in that same manner, but they weren't married, they could hold title as joint tenants with rights of survivorship, which means if you and I own a piece of property together and you want title to go to me automatically without having to go through the probate process, we would hold title as joint tenants with rights of survivorship. So if you pass, title would automatically go to me. If I pass, title would automatically go to you. Okay. But in the event we held a title to property together and you wanted your portion to go to your heirs rather than going to me, we would hold title as tenants in common, which means when 2 people hold title together and one passes, title would go to their heirs through the probate process rather than going to the person that they hold title with.
Amazing. So now, where during the process do you specify where do you want your share of the property to go?
At any point in time, you can reach out to your attorney and address the situation with them and say, hey, we want to hold title this way or hold title that way. But in the event it's not addressed prior to closing. At the time of closing, it should be addressed with your attorney then, because what will happen is you will designate on your deed how you want to hold title, and the document will get recorded, and that's how you would specify the way that you wish to hold title to the property.
So we'll be specifying the deed. Amazing.
Yeah.
Well, now, Nicole, thank you so much for bringing us so much value, so much information. I hope you guys benefit from this as much as we did. And
thank you so much for having me. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or Estefania. We're very happy to be here and happy to help you with any questions that you may have.
yes, so we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.